Hi everyone, in this video let me show you a few solutions to Discord update failed issue. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. Sometimes the simplest things are the most effective. Try just to restart your computer and then launch Discord once again. Also test your internet connection. For example, open a web browser, go to speedtest.net and run a speed test. If you have such an option, you can try to connect with the wire instead of Wi-Fi and try to launch Discord once again. One more simple solution is to temporarily disable your firewall. To open Windows Defender Firewall, go to Settings and start searching for Security. Click on Windows Security Settings. Now open Windows Security, Firewall and Network Protection, and if you don't use third-party antivirus, your firewall will be here, but I'm currently using Avast antivirus, so if you use third-party antivirus, open User Interface and make your way to Firewall Settings. So in my case it's here, and just temporarily disable Firewall and try to update Discord and enable it again for your security. Also, you can try to clear Discord cache. To do this, hit Windows R key combination, and in this window type in %appdata, hit enter. Now find the Discord folder, open this folder and delete the cache folder, code cache and GPU cache. You can delete this folder because Discord is open so far. You need to quit Discord from this system tray. So open the system tray, right click on Discord icon, quit Discord, try again, and that's it. Cache is cleared. Now you can try to relaunch Discord. Another solution is to rename Discord update file. To do this, once again hit Windows R and this time type in local app data and hit enter. Find the Discord folder and rename update.exe into, let's say, update 1, and try to launch update one more time. As a last resort, if nothing helps, you can try to uninstall Discord and reinstall it from scratch, but make sure you have an easy access to your account, because reinstallation means you need to relog in. To reinstall Discord, make sure it's not opened in your system tray, otherwise quit Discord. Then hit Windows key on your keyboard, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and click on search bar and find Discord. Now uninstall Discord. I'm not uninstalling, I'm just showing you the steps. So you need to uninstall, then hit Windows R, go to App Data, delete the whole Discord folder, do the same for local app data, Windows R, hit enter, remove this Discord folder also, and now feel free to go to Discord official website and reinstall it from scratch. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.